Hey TikTok, it's your boy Chris the Mint checking back in. I'm at the truck stop, about to take my first trucker shower. I'm here, so I just kind of wanted to show you guys what the truck stop showers look like, so you can kind of see my journey. So this is what we're at a pilot in Kentucky. This is what it kind of look like. You have, they give you that, but I have my own shower stuff. We got the shower kicks on. We give you the toilet, and then you can see the actual shower and the water, and I got the body wash. But I have that, so pretty cool. Just want to show you guys that. Appreciate you for checking in. But now I'm finna shower up and turn up. So everybody, peace out.